Here's how to fix a phone that fell into the water. This Techno 101. First, you untie the screw of that phone. So after untying the screw of that phone, you open the phone. Make sure you check for physical damage. So untie the screw of that phone and check where the water is and sort it out. So I've already untied the phone. So here's how I'm opening the phone. So after that, I look at water. That phone fell into a water. So just use your flat screwdriver to remove those speaker, the lights, the back camera. When you are doing it, you need to do it carefully. The water has even rust the light safe, but we got to use some chemical to brush all those things out. So just watch carefully. That's it. Then I bring in my chemical and my brush. So me, I'm using petrol as my chemical to wipe all those things. Then I'll still add some little paste. Then after that, I will heat it. So that's the component of that phone. And here's my brush. And here's my petrol or fuel. So I use fuel and petrol as my chemical in cleaning water phone that fell into the water. Okay. Yeah. So let me brush it. Brush everywhere properly. Yeah. You got to brush it properly. Brush both the front, the back. You open those laders or case covering that screen. Brush it with that fuel so that every place will be very clean by that fuel. Yeah. Open. You have to peel that black spot. Peel it with care because if you don't peel it with care, you might remove it with the screen. So you got to remove it carefully. Yeah. Look at the screen. You notice that there's water there. You brush it properly. Brush and well. So after brushing it well, you can add some paste there. Yeah. So let me add some paste. Paste is still a good chemical. Add it at the base of that screen and the camera, and even the up and down panel itself. You can add that paste there. So after adding that paste there, what we have to do next is to heat the phone. You can use your hot air blower, soldering iron, candle, or gun blower to do it. Since there's no light in my area, I prefer using candle. So let's go. So you can even peel that sticker covering the component zinc blade. You can peel it. Add some paste there so that those paste and the foil will touch the component and IC in that place, and it will help to dry those water inside the phone. So let me light my candle. Yeah, you can use candle, hot air blower, soldering iron. So all of them, they supply heat to your phone. So do it. And when you are using candle, don't put the candle closer to the component of that phone. It might spoil the panel of that phone. So dress it down as I'm doing it there. Yeah. So after that, we have to test the phone. The heating in progress. So after that, we need to test the phone. Allow the phone to cool first, then you test it. So let's test it. Bagam, the phone down on. So that's just a simple way of repairing a phone that fell into the water. Fixing a phone that fell into the water. Very simple. Just follow this step and thank me later.